everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Just a couple of days back, I uploaded this video on my YouTube channel where I created these stenciled backgrounds using Lawn Fawn Lots of Hearts stencil pack. I created 4 backgrounds that day and I used one of the backgrounds to create a card in that video. And in today's video, I'm using the second background, which is this blue and silver background, and creating 2 cards out of it. I'm die cutting this background out of the Lawn Fawn Simple Stripes portrait die. Also die cutting a dark blue cardstock from my stash using this die. Once I have all my pieces nicely die cut and set aside, here I am adding glue or double-sided tape to a top folding note card. Yes, I went a little overboard with my double-sided tape here, but I just felt I needed to add a lot of glue for these stripes to stick properly to my note card. You can totally use liquid glue here. I just thought that liquid glue sometimes can be messy with excess oozing out. So yeah, just use whatever works for you. And here, once I have that glue, a lot of glue on my note card, I'm gluing these strips of cardstocks alternatively onto my note card. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process again on a second note card, this time starting with the blue and then alternating it with the stenciled background. And this way you'll end up with 2 cards out of 1 stenciled background. And here is how both my cards look till now. Now all is left is to decorate these 2 cards and I will be done. For my sentiments today, I'm using this super glossy cardstock from Crescent Creation in white color and die cutting 2 sentiments, XOXO and Be My Valentine. I also die cut these sentiments out of regular white cardstocks 4 times, and using some liquid glue, here I'm stacking them all together, making sure they're all nicely lined up. This way I end up with 2 nice sentiments all raised up. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the XOXO sentiment to one of the card, and here I'm just working on how I want my images to go on the card. The images are all from the Sent with Love stamp set and Sent with Love add-on stamp set from Lawn Fawn. Once I know how I want my images to go, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them in place using some liquid glue. I added the cute skunk on one of the O's and made him hold one of the heart balloons. And here I'm just trimming off the heart banners and making them fit onto the XOXO sentiment. For my second card, I just scattered the rest of the images that I had from my last video and I just glued them all over the card, keeping the sentiment as my focal point and gluing that to the center of my card. I just thought these 2 cards looked really cute. They were so quick to put together and I just love how much you can do with these stencils. I mean, you can create tons of stenciled background and then use them in so many different ways with different dyes, with different techniques, and create yourself a bunch of cards. So here I'm almost done with my cards and I'm just adding some Claybits to both my cards. All these Claybits are from Crescent Creation. I'm in love with this pink and red hearts with love written on them. They are so super cute and they were on sale on Wednesday at Crescent Creation's website. I equally love these envelope shaped Claybits. They are so stinking cute and perfect to add to any of your cards. You will be able to find these on sale. They will be 30% off again next week on Wednesday. So do not forget to check out our website every week for the Embellish Wednesday deal. So once again, here are my 2 cards that I created out of the stencil background. If you want to know how I created the stencil background, you can check the video link in the description box below. Here are a few more videos that you might be interested in. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.